In this video, I'm going to show you how to recover Firebase deleted project. Now, there's a period of I think around 30 days during which deleted projects can actually be recovered. And the way to do this is as follows. Now, to recover it, you want to go inside your console.cloud.google.com. So just go to this link over here. I'm sure you are familiar with that. And then you want to go up top inside your search box, type in manage resources, and then you want to go inside manage resources. And then here you want to click on where it says resources pending deletion down at the bottom left, and then you want to select your project which you deleted. So as you can see here, I have one deleted project I wish to recover. Just click on this check mark next to the one you want to recover, click on the restore up top, and then here it's going to say that this project will no longer be deleted and that you can restore it. Just click on the restore button over here, and this is going to begin the restoring process, and it's going to say restored, and then after just a few seconds you should be able to now find it inside your Firebase console. Okay, so that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.